It's so nice to have a boyfriend to do my makeup.
Shh, don't tell anyone, otherwise people will be jealous. Hey baby! Good morning. You have to wake.
No.
You have to. We have a date today.
Okay.
Come on. I'll do your makeup. And I'll do your hair too.
You'll do my makeup?
Yes. And you will look pretty.
Okay, fine.
Okay, just wake up. Come on. How sleepy you are?
I'm tired. I'm actually really tired.
Okay. To make you look fresh, put on this.
What is that?
This is the lotion, the cream, the base, anything.
It's so rough.
Oh, you suddenly have very nice skin.
Thanks. Wow, actually. Is it because I'm blind?
And you have big pores.
Yes.
We use the space because you have big pores, so you have to put it on, right? Especially on your nose.
And my cheeks.
And you have your cheeks. Oh yeah.
It's because I had acne, okay, hun?
Oh, I don't have acne actually.
You never had acne in your life?
I don't have a lot.
When you grew up, too?
When I was like 20, I have two. Mm-hmm. That's it.
One or two?
No, I have acne.
Are you excited for our date today?
Yes.
Shake it.
Oh, shake it, shake it. Shake it off. Shake it off. Foundation.
Foundation. That's a lot.
That's
Ricky.
not a lot. You should call me Han.
Oh, honey. That's a lot. Ow. I thought you were going to make me look pretty. You're going to make me look cakey.
No.
Is it even blending well?
Yeah, your face is quite big. That's why I have to blend it. What do you think?
Is this good? It's okay if it's not perfectly covered.
Oh, you look pretty with the foundation.
Thanks. You're supposed to be more sweet.
Oh, yes. Oh,
You just say something for the camera.
Your skin is so nice. Alright. Do you conceal?
What did you do?
Doing something on your eyes to cover all your eyes. Oh, you look pretty.
I hope.
You are always.
Aww.
Oh,
Oh my god, hun.
be sweet. Come on.
Oh, okay.
How can you be sweet? Tell me.
I don't know how to be sweet. You should
don't
teach
know?
me.
Oh, you are sweet already.
Oh my god.
Okay, we put on highlight.
Highlight.
Yep, highlighter.
Is that concealer highlight?
This is highlighter concealer.
Okay.
Oh, pretty. Oh my god.
Brows.
Brows.
What brows are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing
What shape are you going for?
sexy, feminine.
Okay.
What else? You already are.
Oh my god, so sweet. I die.
Oh, your brow is so nice.
So, hun, we're going on a date today, right?
Yes.
And I want to do everything I want to do.
Oh, what do you want to eat today?
Now, what do you want to eat today?
Oh, I'm okay for everything.
No, pick something.
Pick something. What do you want? Chicken? How?
No,
about-
I'll just pick.
Okay, you just pick.
Okay, what if we get? Do you want Korean noodles?
Yes.
Okay. I cannot deal with you. Can you just pick?
Okay, no problem. Alright, after your brow, then we do your eyeliner.
Eyeliner time.
Yeah, you have to look down.
Oh my god, what if she's scared? Wait.
You look
Good?
pretty.
Okay, good.
Shall we do something like this?
So how come you like to use your fingers, huh?
Yeah, because fingers makes everything blended well.
Really? Okay.
Oh,
On my eyes.
gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh. The red one at the back. How come you're so pretty? You can carry every kind of eyeshadow, any colors that you can have.
Because I'm just natural like that.
I'm just natural, okay. Oh gosh.
Is the eyes even?
Very.
Are they even? Very? You did it so well.
Yes. Mascara.
This is mascara.
I'll try to make a little bit thinner of your nose because you have like very nice features already. How come you look so perfect?
Because you made me perfect.
No.
Yeah. Blush time.
Blush time.
I love blush. Lipstick. We're doing red.
Yeah, red. Oh, you have a very nice lips.
Do I?
Yes.
You better do my hair pretty.
Yes.
So what are you planning to do to my hair?
I'm planning to do some wavy.
Okay, good.
Okay, because you have a little bit like storytelling eye. I believe a lot of people, just the girls, were jealous on you today.
Just make sure you fix this part.
Which part?
Like this part.
Oh,
you
right.
see how nasty it is?
No, nasty. I can't even heard any words. Nasty is not suitable for you. It's not in your dictionary.
Okay. That's so sweet. You're making me cry. You're so sweet.
No, I'm just telling the truth.
It's so nice to have a boyfriend to do my makeup.
Shh, don't tell anyone. Otherwise people will be jealous. Oh, the hair!
Isn't it amazing?
Yes.
Hun, isn't my hair so soft? Right?
Yes, I guess.
Are you doing okay?
Yes.
Okay.
It's just
Here,
perfect for me.
move on.
Yeah.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. The hair is done.
Is it?
Yep, and the makeup is done.
I want to see. Oh my god! I really like my hair.
Yeah, you look so pretty.
Oh, so sweet. I know, but you're more perfect.
Alright, yeah, I know too. So you're
love
gonna
it.
change now?
Yes, let
Go
me
to
change.
change.
I should wear my dress that you picked up.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let me change. Oh my gosh, Ricky, you look so good.
Is it?
Yes.
Love it.
I love my hair too.
Let me have a look. Oh my
I love my
gosh,
hair
you
too.
look so pretty.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Thanks.
This video is not talking about how professional you have to be, what techniques you have to have. Just want to tell you guys that try to spend more time with your girlfriend or boyfriend, compliment her more, listen to what she wants, try to say yes all the time. Yes. 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 And I believe you will have a very perfect day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the button below, and I will see you in Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. See you. Bye.